First of all, I'm going to make a copy of the original configuration by using the following command. And after I've done this, it's time to open up the server config and change some lines that makes the server do the following. Now I have prepared a SSH server configuration file for this purpose, so I will just clear the complete config and paste the contents of the prepared file. And the final config for the SSH server will look like this. I also changed the common SSH port number 22 to be a more obscure port. After I've done this, it's time to add the configured port to the firewall. And now I can safely restart the SSH server with the following command. Now, after it has been restarted, I can check and see if there are new open ports on my system. The next step for me is to log in on the newly configured SSH port on the server and log out on the old SSH session.